Once upon a time, in a small town nestled between rolling hills, lived a curious boy named Timmy. One day, while exploring the woods, he stumbled upon a strange and enchanting garden. The most peculiar thing about this garden wasn't its vibrant colors or the sweet fragrance in the air. No, it was the size of everything. Timmy marveled at the towering flowers reaching the sky, with petals as big as his bedroom. He gasped at the colossal leaves, larger than his school bus. He had never seen anything like this before. With a spirit of adventure, Timmy ventured deeper into the garden. He met a friendly, tiny creature, no bigger than his hand, who introduced himself as Mr. Sprout. Mr. Sprout explained that the garden belonged to a giant who loved all things big. "But why, Mr. Sprout?" Timmy asked, "Why does the giant like things so big?" "Ah, my dear Timmy," said Mr. Sprout, "the giant believes that by making things bigger, he can appreciate them more. He believes that size gives him a better understanding of the world." Timmy pondered this for a moment. He thought about the things he loved, like books and toys, and realized that he, too, appreciated them more when they were just the right size. He thanked Mr. Sprout for his wisdom and promised to carry this lesson with him. As Timmy left the garden, he felt a sense of wonder and understanding. He understood now that size didn't always matter, but the appreciation and understanding we have for things did. From that day forward, Timmy approached everything with a new perspective, cherishing the things he had and the world around him. And so, the story of the giant's garden taught Timmy a valuable lesson about size, appreciation, and understanding. It reminded him that sometimes, it's not the size that matters, but how we choose to see things.